Hey everyone, so I finally filmed this look. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty and it's easy. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. Okay guys, let's go into styling the hair. I'll be showing you guys the things I use for my hair. These are the things I use: equal styling gel, this mousse, and then this is my favorite brush. Gosh, this brush does the magic for me. This is it. This brushed for styling as well, and also this. First thing you need to do is make sure your hair is wet. I just got out of the shower and my hair looks wet. So my baby will continue with the voiceover, guys. I hope you like.
She's applying gel on her head.
She's brushing the hair.
She's brushing the hair. Trying to look good.
Hair mousse.
Hair mousse.
I'm applying hair mousse.
She's applying.
Definitely not this thing. Okay, I'll be taking it up from here. After applying my gel, I brushed through, then I applied my mousse. I applied my mousse again to ensure that my hair is really soft, and the mousse also helps with the styling. It makes it very easy. So you have two options. If you do not want to go through all this, you can actually stop at the point where you apply just your gel and you do your edges, tie your scarf and blow dry the hair, and that's it. But this is actually nice. I do not do this very often, like all the time, but sometimes when I just want to look different and feel good, like a baby girl. Please pay close attention to how I'm styling this hair and how I use the tail comb. This is easy, really. You just need to try it. Okay? And you don't necessarily have to use both the gel and the mousse. If you want a fluffy look, then you can go for the hair mousse alone, and if you want the hair to stick, you can go for the gel, but I actually just prefer to use both because it lasts longer. The back is always a struggle for me. So much struggle, but it's better if you have a double mirror back and forth, so it makes it easier. Do you know how much I've been saving? The cost of styling my hair in Lagos, it's a lot, so I've saved a lot. So I'm just like touching up the front part, lay my edges, and we're securing with my, what do you call this thing, durag? Yes. And if you don't have this, if you have a silky scarf, that works as well. So if you have a blow dryer, you can blow dry with your scarf on because it's going to hasten the process. But if you don't, you might just have to tie your scarf and hang on for a while until it dries. So blow dryer makes it easier. So I blow dried my hair off camera. Okay, so this is what we have. So pretty. Oh my gosh, so cute. I look like one funky girl. Okay, this is how I style my hair, guys. Very easy, and at least in less than 4 minutes you're done. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure you subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Bye guys.